say ya na mba kono dia I'm not sounding like a prophet of doom. Ya nhwe ya. Ye nduru ba bia na ye beba. E jan say we dey share ranking no. Ba bia Benin da, na ba bia Cameroon da. Tell say we say the tax ahead no asoso. And a Ghana France dey bia e tournament head to head. Ya nyiri ho mobo. Afa ye eduru ba bia say we na say we ni we bo draw ni nya fucking mathematics. Ya nyiri ho say see ani mani ye ya nyiri ho ne mobo no. Nye points ni bi fangu ho. E be fe kwasa Ghana be qualify na ono da soro. Na fe o twen omo aka no say obi qualify make me ho. He obi say cap obi anya obaje ba Ghana for the ani abre mo. Eno ama akakrama Benin president nye so okoho. Ma hu Benin president e ho ba na Akufo-Addo etietia no chacha mu e from Ghana mu e be pia mu Egypt. All in the name of giving you morale. What is here? Na say nkwala say Asamoah na ye Jede ye captain. Asamoah ye general captain. Na Kwasi Apia general coach. There be coach ankasa. Na Nanado general coach. Ghana for Nanado trefia mbe coaching so amoka. Anya bone so mampani be kwakomo morale. But with all this morale and all this money, Ghana Blasters, we cannot afford to lose this cup. Mutiemi ye pa Ghana for ye ni abre eno mo ahwe fufuogu trompo na microphone di ene yanke ye semo a enkare ye kropo obi ane na yele kura na enti Blaster for e mo say ye start ye nche but just oburu nso ntema ene wani ye kokko kwase apia hwe tatis ni ye players no wo be kokora che say players no ebia ye mre ebia gogo oh san microphone nyamu nyi yo mtungu me de da bia me se be blame be kwase apia de che say ye ma wakwanya say the whole world baby Ghana ni woni mbo bi afre no ana ko say na tie ubetima from Afghanistan to Hiroshima but player bia Ghana ni oh ya de bia o man na makwan say kofa ne bra no mebo enti one on frefre wom and you 23 man squad and they call Dubai say na we na wanya players so they are players you selected and you have no other excuse than to win the game and bring us the cup. For the past 37 years, a nation which is referred to as a football nation, we have never had a cup. AFCON, ya GB, 37 years in here, Adain. So, your back crossing or common opus. 37 years in here, J Cup, or my afraid football nation. It's where the Munko Jamka can sama, as I'm watching on crop for the day you tell me here, and I could follow some countries, cup way, this is our jeba. That's how I hear anymore. Yaro atami se wanya ne be ko wo na ko genda 20 bre no e wo Egypt wa e de na ya sam asofo asenkom ama captain ba be di wo beti so a ne da you hwe na wan ko gina ho ama a unkita cap na na do se men kan kire yire hu na di AFCON yi na na nso ene Teresa enfansi table so fa no cafe yire ho pa na di bi na na do se oba president no on so cap mu da ya di empa bottom wachi ya di taxes about time wachi se mu ni excuse bia na sani asemo pemo guess ewo camp ho eno kra mo pa be ya mamu de mo be ya mba wini cap bia ye be ye e de amamu o man na ye ready say ye supporters so ye ready mu de ne samo de ahofama ene ahoden e be sem na bibia akoye ma o man Ghana cap ne wini a ye ge 4.5 million me na 4 million dollars me boa me na so na me say sky de kono ya akeka ko 15 million dollars. Like I say, yes, you can't quite the so send the air no. Enti, you have no excuse. This time around, so you see my budget no crown, money problem wo, mokani etua, enti mon koso so and sa Ghana Blaster. As I say, mo muja kakra, it's no performance no, na nye. Ayi red card here odi ye. Don't buy red card odi ye. Sa red card we free. Munya mo professional players. Ya so some from no aba ball. Muni case bia munye mo ho na munye cap infamra players no so your friend no yemra wo so kwasi apem pacho ma yemre minim se pema se no wa frame ba me ankasa ma yemre player bi okra the whole season about 2 matches na the whole Ghana population of over 100 million ye players no odi bakona onya bi mo no de wa sa no ono na be sa frame no other players no why Ghana local players ko be bresia kan papa. That's the same crop of people. The Basadi on my back. Person baby Robin is almost common sama a retirement a game no Mukako. How many of them find cap no? Now I'm got Tenefia or Masuma Juomo. Because we put near Betchery. most of the players are more than that's AFCON. Omu Kobe, I'm a airport, I'm a Pamwom. Your players who are this current blaster, you know, so next AFCON, me who's on Kofu player, me, I'm a get no, me more be on fro. They break a bomb last minute, and I'm a quack boy. It is only putting your money more. One say, next AFCON, Munkobino, kill yourself for this cup. Ghana need this cup. Kill yourself for this cup.